What's going on, everybody? I got a quick little video today for you guys. One of the things that I've talked about before, which is a downside to eBay, is that sometimes things take a long time to sell. And today I finally sold something that I've had for sale for a long time. So I wanted to make this quick little video to show you guys that, don't give up, don't throw things away, just keep it on there, keep it listed, and eventually it probably will sell. So what I had from my Mercedes parts car was the 2 door mirrors. I sold one mirror last year in October. I sold that for $450. And then I've had the other mirror on there just as long. A couple of people have been watching it, but no one's bought it yet. So today I finally sold it. I have dropped the price down from when I first listed it from $450 to $400. I really didn't want to start getting too much lower because I didn't want to just give the thing away. So I had it at $400 and it finally sold. This is what it is right here, just a door mirror. Nothing special, nothing crazy. But this right here just got me $400 just today. I have had that mirror listed since July 3rd of 2019. Today's the last day of November of 2020. So it's almost been on there a year and a half. As you can see, some things do take a long time to sell, but it's worth keeping around. You can see how small this is. It doesn't take up much room. I've had it in a box in my office this whole time, just waiting for someone to buy it. So, this is an easy thing just to put on the shelf and wait for. You don't want to discount the price too far that someone's getting a deal and you're just giving something away. I knew that that would sell eventually, and I wanted to be able to get as much money as I could for it. One reason I think it has sat around is because it's painted a specific color. The Mercedes was blue, so this is a blue mirror. There could be 1,000 people looking for white mirrors or black mirrors or gray mirrors and nobody looking for a blue mirror. So that might be why it's taken so long to sell. But like I said, it's worth keeping. If you haven't already checked out the video that I made about the negative stuff that I've found about selling car parts, I will leave that link right here. One of the things is that it takes time to sell parts. So I just wanted to make this video showing you guys that don't give up, don't get discouraged, don't go throwing away the parts too soon, thinking that no one's gonna buy it, or discounting them so much that you're not making as much money as you could. I have left that on there for almost a year and a half. It finally just sold. So some of you guys might go through the same thing, but once it sells, it's just a good payday. So I sold that today for $400. So that's pretty good. I'm very happy with that. That'll go to my monthly total of November. Just giving you guys a little bit of information. Hopefully you guys stay positive. And if you guys are a little discouraged about selling some stuff, it's been sitting around, take this message, keep it there, keep listing it, and eventually it will sell. Thanks everybody for watching. I will see you next time.